Let's bring to the stage some solid fucking improvisers.
I love this team.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Kaboomschtick!
Round of applause for our 202 team! Ladies and gentlemen, we are Kaboomschtick, and we're here to do some long-form improv for you. And to get started, all we need is a small object, something that will fit in the palm of your hand that means something to you, a little sentimental value. I heard, sorry, over here, I heard something.
A ring?
A ring? What kind of ring?
Doorbell.
That's a good pun, and I'm gonna go with it. A doorbell.
This doorbell is big and brass.
This doorbell produces a long ding-dong when you press it.
This doorbell belongs to the ugliest house in the neighborhood.
The button on this doorbell has been pressed so many times that the plastic is cracked and it barely works anymore.
This doorbell is having kind of a complex problem because there's a lot of Ring cameras in the neighborhood and it's feeling quite antiquated.
Doorbell, you alert me to somebody coming to visit me in my home.
You bring me dread because it's usually solicitors or Jehovah's Witnesses.
You bring me joy in the off chance it's someone I want to see.
You bring me back to the glory days of pranking my neighbors.
You fucking make my dog bark every time! Doorbell!
Joshua,
Mark.
a lot of the friends have been talking about you. We know that there's just some problems. And we're concerned.
Problems? You come into my house and you start talking to me about problems you've got with me.
Dude, I love you. I'm trying to help you.
Well, thank you for that.
I don't want to hurt you. I just want to help you evolve.
Take a look outside there. Now you see that garden I've been working on?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous.
10 years I've been sculpting my art. And you're telling me now that it's some kind of problem for the neighborhood? Mark, when I elected you, or helped you get elected to HOA president, I thought this would all be swept under the rug.
Or I'm just going to say it, Jacob. Your garden's way too beautiful. It's making all of us look like shit, dude.
Well, maybe the rest of the neighborhood needs to step it up.
Okay, you know we can't. If you look outside,
I'd look outside every
it's like Versailles out there, dude. That is gorgeous.
Yeah. I make my art out of old plumbing to look exactly like Versailles.
I can't do that. I swear to God, I can't go to Home Depot and go, I'll have the Versailles collection. It doesn't exist, dude.
Well, no, because you gotta make it. What? Oh, it's hard to meld metal pipes onto other metal pipes.
Look. I have had a lot of admiration for who you are and your artistic visions. The HOA has said, it's gotta go. And I'm sorry, it's gotta go. And that's not on you, dude. It's on us.
Mark, you are spouting some grade A bullshit. You're the president of the HOA. You decide what the HOA thinks is important or not. Like, for example, my Versace garden lawn ornaments are self-made out of old plumbing.
I don't want to argue anymore. Sir, understand something. We dig you. We think it's great what you do. But we just want to play like Yahtzee with you more. You're just so busy all the time. Please, fold in with the rest of us. Be social. Have a White Claw, dude. Jeez. You're a cool guy. Look at you. You got good hair, nice ears, decent sized shoe. You're a good guy.
10.5.
That's fucking
Mims.
great, man.
You came in 10.5. There's a difference.
By the way, your doorbell ring, it's way too long.
Judge Carruthers, I brought you the paperwork for this case.
Yes. The curious case of the missing brass trumpet. It will take very long to solve, I imagine.
Of course it will. It's the biggest case that we've ever been given.
The biggest case we've ever been given. It can wait.
Whatever do you mean, Judge Carruthers? By wait?
Ethel. The reason I've stayed in this seat for so long is because It's because I love you.
Whoa.
It's not because I care about the safety of the town. Nor the politics in the town. It's because every day when I get out of bed, I want to come and sit behind my mahogany desk next to you.
That is a real problem, Judge Carruthers, because I am in love with the safety of this town and the politics of this town.
No!
Yes!
No!
Yes! I cannot be in love with three. I can only pick two, and that's the politics and the safety.
However is it so? Those are two inanimate objects. I'm a whole person.
It doesn't matter. To me, I am a sentient being. It doesn't matter whether you exist or don't exist.
Well, I do exist. And I have a heart. And maybe, let me ask you a question. Could we make it work if I decide to care about the town and also care about you?
Oh wow, I hadn't considered a threesome exactly with the safety of this town and the politics of this town.
Carol. Yes.
Do you ever wonder if it was a mistake to open this dog park? They're just so aggressive sometimes.
Ow, my arm!
I mean, that kid just, I don't think they're gonna have a baseball career after this, if you know what I'm saying, Carol.
I'm not going to college anymore!
Well, Harold, when I said I'm going to put all of my money into opening a dog park,
You did say that.
all of my money and all of my family's money and, an entire fortune, and sell my home, and sell your home, and sell,
Well, I don't know if you sold my home.
I sold your home.
Wait, hold on. How did you get the authority to do that?
I sold your home.
That's not what I'm asking. How did you sell my home?
Sold your home. Listen to me.
I'm listening to you, Carol. I'm very concerned. Like, I'm gonna need a place to live that's not this dog park.
I sold your home. Listen to me, Harold.
I'm listening to you, Carol, very intently. What happened to my goddamn house?
Off you go. Off you go. Harold.
Carol!
I sold your home.
I heard that!
He ain't budget. He's not budget. He is not budget. That's not fucking Garden State.
Can you just stop talking about it for 2 seconds and play Yahtzee with me?
Yeah.
Come on.
I love Yahtzee. I tried to invite him to play Yahtzee with
And he
us.
won't come. I don't get it. This is the most fun we have in this neighborhood.
Can fucking go.
He's an asshole.
Yahtzee.
God damn it.
That's 20 points for me.
Alright.
I had some ideas actually. What if we just ruined his house? Like instant mashed potatoes in the yard, forks in the yard. We can eat some of the mashed potatoes when they grow. TV in the trees, you know what I mean?
That's like the anti-Versailles. Mashed potatoes. They would never serve that at Versailles, right? Never.
Pompous bastards there.
Yeah, exactly. It was.
Excuse me. It's my role.
You are.
Yahtzee!
Sorry. That's 2 1s and 2 and a fucking 3.
He's cheating again.
Here you go. You don't get to play.
Okay.
Go again. You had some cockamamie story about putting mashed fucking potatoes on his yard?
I just
That's really weird. Sorry, calling it.
Yahtzee.
God damn it. I didn't even see that roll.
I just want to get back at it.
Okay. Well, let's be real about it. Okay, if you really want to get back at someone, you can do what? They have a really beautiful thing. We have a lot of envy around it.
Drink.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thanks. If that was the issue, then what? I mean, just think about it for a moment. I know.
My mind's on the dice.
I love Yahtzee with you.
We could burn his house now.
Ding dong! Ding dong! Ding dong!
In France, it's the ding dong.
Welcome to Lowe's, where you can get any doorbell that you want.
Today! Yeah!
I don't like this. You're pacing again. I know what that
My
means.
mom's coming. My
Oh,
mom's
my-
coming to come. Yeah, exactly.
No,
Yeah.
not this weekend. I am
It's Elliot! It's up!
and I'm PMSing this weekend.
What?
Yeah.
Wait a minute! No fucking way!
Yeah. It's like the double whammy of an April weekend. I know. Listen, I can't help it when Aunt Flo comes to town. And your mother Flo, for Christ's sake. It's like double Flo and
She never stopped flowing! Never!
Ding dong!
No! Mama!
It's me, your mother Flo. So good to see you.
Love you, Mama.
Ow, my cramp.
Oh, it feels good to concentration
Don't
on
you dare roll the
that.
cramp thing. Don't you dare roll the cramp card down. You should stay in here.
I
You
have
are
to go
staying
to
here.
bed.
No, you
I'm
can't.
so
No
sorry.
red tenting. No red tenting. Not today.
Did you see that? Mm-hmm. It's those fucking dogs across the fucking street again. So
So fucking loud.
It's so loud!
You severely undersold me when you brought me on as your roommate, dude. You did not say it was gonna be this loud.
Whoa! You're thinking of pulling out of the room now, are you?
I
need your half of the rent!
I'm gonna break the lease. God damn it.
Okay. All right. No, you forced me. I'm pulling the Karen card. You and Karen would not be together if it wasn't for me.
You did not have to go there.
I'm going there. I need you half of the rent. You can't just ditch me because of the dogs. The dogs that are very loud even at this very moment. Ruff, ruff, thank you.
I can't even hear myself think.
Ruff. All I think every day is ruff, ruff, ruff. But you know what? At least you can go to Karen's place and be like, Karen,
Yes!
Karen, I love you, Karen.
I love Karen. I do.
Yeah. And you know what? I love this house. There's little rough dogs. The dogs that are roughing, the rough dogs.
The dogs that are roughing.
Yeah. And the coyotes. I don't know why there are coyotes out here in the middle of Chicago, but
Neither do I.
yeah, no, they're fucking everywhere apparently.
My least favorite part about living here is the mariachi band that's always playing.
The dogs, the capuchin monkeys, the mariachi. Everything about this fucking city is so loud.
So loud.
And every night, they call my name. They say, Pepe, 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 why haven't you paid your rent on time?
Pepe, why haven't you paid your rent on
I don't know!
I'm speaking to you.
I don't think you're antiquated. I think that you're analog.
It's a very nice way of saying I'm old.
No.
Very nice way of saying I'm
No.
decrepit.
No. You have a VCR still, that's all. It's cool. A Nakamichi tape deck. I think it's handmade. That's awesome.
Your stroller's ready, oldie.
That's a nice way of saying I'm old.
No. You like U-Band. That's cool. It's cool.
That's a nice way of saying I'm old.
I got your reading glasses ready.
That's a nice way of saying I'm old.
Instead of porn, you say porno. That's cool.
I thought it's classier that way.
Yeah.
Whew. Wow, that was quite a threesome.
Yes. The body pillows have worked substantially well.
Safety? Politics. I think we all deserve a cigarette, don't you?
I agree. Pass me a Paul, please.
Oh, we can't forget you.
So, I was.
We've sparked a fire.
Well,
Fire.
Echo,
Fire.
there's no time. Like now, let me tell you this.
Fire.
If we're gonna burn down here, do you think we can make love once without the body pillows?
No, I don't think that we can do it without the body pillows. We'll have to take the flames with us.
Gerald, I'm glad you came. I really need your advice on the living room. I feel like the feng shui is off, you know? You know what I'm saying? I don't feel like the energy is properly connecting from the front door to the back door. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
No.
When I have a lady over and I want to go from the front door to the back door, I just feel like the energy and the room is off?
Are we talking about sex or actually the energy in the room? Front door, back door.
I mean, so
I'm talking about both. I'm talking about physical, back door to front door,
you
and
don't
also
like any of
sexually.
it? You don't like
Nothing.
any of it?
Yeah.
But like, look, I've got the wind chimes like right over the door. So when you open it and like the wind comes in, it goes.
It's distracting when
It's
we're
distracting.
there.
She said it was distracting.
You shouldn't have said wind while you're naked. It's just not a cool thing.
Wait, so you're saying that if I'm naked, I can't literally say the word wind?
When you're with a lady partner and you're talking, either post or pre-coitus, it's really not good to use wind. The word wind.
Whoa, something is blowing outside. What is that?
I think it might be the flow of cool air to warm air.
That's just as bad. That's just as bad.
I can't talk weather. I can't talk weather with these
Yeah,
ladies
that's right.
anymore.
Yeah. That's just like you say, oh, how interesting.
But my grandparents like watch the Weather Channel all the time. They're still together.
Right, but they probably don't have sex. That's.
This is it. This is it. The night that we burned down his house.
Whoa, what the
Yes.
fuck are you doing?
Yeah, real good.
Whoa! Is he?
You brigands coming here? Are you jealous of my fucking plumbing sculptures? My fucking Versailles sculpture? You got what? Whoa! You're putting matches everywhere. What the fuck?
Wait! Don't burn down that house. That's not his house. I sold your house.